Who's that, Bunky? Who's that? Alright.
Have a tail like a wag.
What do you think, Wally? You gonna be cool? Wally's so freaking out.
Her tail's wagging.
Hitting him in the face.
Good girl. She knows how to sit down. She knows how to say no. Oh my God.
I like how comfortable she is with him already. Well, think about it, she was used to being hanging out with a big Saint Bernard.
Wally, good boy.
Good boy, Wally.
His hair's
hey.
up a bit.
Hey. Good boy. Good boy.
Okay, Brett, we gotta go.
Did you hear the door? Doop, doop, doop.